Hi guys, so today I wanted to hop on here to talk about this cord organizer. So I don't know about you, but I have a ton of cords absolutely everywhere, and no matter what, we can't seem to keep it organized. So I saw this little cord organizer. It keeps everything in one spot and it makes sure everything goes in and out one way so your cords don't get tangled. They all stay in the same spot. And also, this is really beautiful. It's gonna go along with any type of decor. It's got the beautiful gold feet on it, the gorgeous ridging, and it's a really beautiful neutral beige color. I think it's really, really cute. It's nice and sturdy. So let's go ahead and organize some cords. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and you enjoy your cord organizer.